Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the SMUG Ice Maker and the Aeitto Ice Maker. Both promise quick ice production, but they come with different price tags and features. Let's dive into what makes each of these machines unique and help you find the perfect ice maker for your home, RV, or office. Let's start with the price comparison. The SMUG Ice Maker is priced at just $69.99, making it an incredibly affordable option for those looking for a reliable ice maker. In contrast, the Aeitto Ice Maker comes in at a premium price of $199.99. While both machines offer the same ice production capabilities, the significant price difference raises questions about the value offered by the Aeitto model. Is the extra cost justified? We'll explore that further. Next, let's discuss portability. The SMUG Ice Maker features an integrated carrying handle, making it easy to transport between your kitchen, RV, or outdoor gatherings. This is a great advantage for those who need a portable ice solution. On the other hand, the Aeitto Ice Maker lacks a handle, focusing instead on a more static design. This could limit its usability for those who want to take their ice maker on the go. Finally, let's look at the design features. The SMUG Ice Maker has a straightforward, functional design that prioritizes usability. It includes smart indicators for ice full and add water, ensuring you never run out of ice unexpectedly. In contrast, the Aeitto Ice Maker boasts a sleek black finish with dual viewing windows, allowing you to monitor the ice-making process easily. While the Aeitto's design is visually appealing, it raises the question of whether aesthetics outweigh functionality. In conclusion, both the SMUG and Aeitto Ice Makers offer impressive performance, but they cater to different needs and budgets. The SMUG model stands out for its affordability and portability, making it a great choice for budget-conscious consumers. Meanwhile, the Aeitto model appeals to those who prioritize design and aesthetics, despite its higher price. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.